Alright, welcome back to this channel. Let's look at this question together. If you can check through this page, I dropped some solution pertaining to question like this some days ago. So I choose to do this video so that we can get full knowledge about how the question goes. You know, anytime you see any question like this, the first thing we ask you to do, first find the sum of your root and the product of your root. You know, we are given if alpha and beta are the root of this given expression. We now said we should find this alpha plus beta. This simply tells us that the sum of roots. Now, there's this general formula for it. Alpha plus beta will give you minus b over a. Then product of roots, that is the if you multiply the root together, you are going to have c divided by a. So once you get this, you are good to go. The first thing now is, where is my a, where is my b, and where is my c? Try to write out general expression for quadratic equation, then plus c is equals to 0. Now compare it with the one that you are given, which is 2x squared plus 4x minus 3. Now comparing it, our a will be 2, our b will be 4, our c will be minus 3. You are good to go. So since the first thing they ask us to find here is alpha plus beta, so you just write your alpha plus beta is equals to minus b over a, which is equals to what is our b, 4 divided by 2. And you get your final answer minus 2. Then b. Now you are asked to find alpha squared plus beta squared. One thing about something like this is you have to understand some aspect of your indices very well, and also you need to have some understanding about algebra too. If you are given an expression, how are you going to represent it in another form? The main goal here, whenever you see this type of question, is to make this given expression another expression that is going to have sum of the root and the product of the root. Now, how are you going to get that? We have this square plus beta square. It's going to give us, the easiest way to do is, I'm going to send, maybe on the comment section of this video, I'm going to send a breakdown of something like this so that you can just have the understanding of it. For you to do it, you just have to do this square, then minus 2 this. If you open this bracket, you are going to get this back. Should we do it? Okay, I get your point. Let's do it. If you open this, you are going to have alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Now, okay, this is going to give us it's going to be negative. It's going to be negative because this one is going to give us negative, positive here. So that this positive, if this cancel this, you are going to have this back, which is the given expression. So it's negative, that's going to be here. Now we have alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. We have written this in another expression that is now having sum of root and the product of root, and you are good to go. Where is your sum of root? That is what we get here. That's what we find here. This is minus 2, so we have minus 2 all square, then minus 2 into, you check this very well. What is our product of root? We said that the product of root is going to give us c over a. Where is your c? That is the important reason why you first have to list out your values. You're getting it from the given quadratic equation. So we have minus 3 divided by 2. Are you getting it? Because minus 3 is our c, then our a is 2. So we have it here. Now, if we do this, 2 squared, that is negative multiplied by negative, is going to give us positive. Then 2 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 4. If you multiply this can cancel this. Are you getting it? So we have negative 1 multiplied by negative 3. It's going to give us positive 3. If you add it together, you are going to have your 7 here. Now, see, if you check this is another fraction. The main goal, as I've already told you, the main goal is to make sure you make this expression another expression that is going to have sum of root and the product of root. If you can do that, you are good to go. So we have 2 alpha over beta plus 2 beta over alpha. What is your LCM? Alpha beta. Then now alpha beta divided by beta, this beta will cancel this beta, is going to remain alpha. So multiply this alpha with the 2 alpha that we are having here. So we have 2 alpha multiplied by alpha. Are you getting it? Plus. Now same thing, alpha beta divided by alpha, this we cancel this, is going to remain beta. So that beta multiplied with this, you are going to have 2 beta multiplied by beta here. Are you with me? So multiply this and multiply this, you have this plus 2 beta square divided by alpha beta. Are you getting it? Just follow the step, you are going to get your final answer. And if you have any question, drop it on the comment section so that we can look at it together. So from here, what is common between this and this? We have 2. we write out our 2, it's going to remain alpha square plus beta square divided by alpha beta. Now, one thing I noticed about this type of question, most of the time it used to come out in WAEC. One thing I noticed about them is the very first question they are going to ask you is what you are going to use to solve this, and what you get here is what you are going to use to solve this. Are you getting it? Now, the issue there is if your answer is wrong here, I bet it with you, your answer is also going to be wrong here. So you must make sure you follow through the steps so that, and you follow through the answers you are getting so that you won't make mistake. All right, so from here, if you check this very well, this is what we have here. Are you getting it? This is what we have here. So now we are already getting the value for this. You don't need to solve this again. Just make use of the value that you have here. So we have, which is equals to 2 into this positive 7, right? So we have 7, then divided by, what is our product of roots? Our product of roots is, you can easily say that, divided by negative 3 over 2. This one is over 1. To simplify this expression, 2 times 7, that will give us 14. Multiply by, if you turn this division to multiplication, you know, it's like taking the reciprocal of this fraction. So you are going to have minus 2 over 3. So if you multiply through, you are going to have minus 28 divided by 3. So that is our final answer. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. We'll look at it together. Thank you very much.